We know pi value equals to 22 by 7 or 3.14.
Let us find pi value practically. First of all, we should take a circular object and find its circumference and radius. Let us find its circumference.
This is the circumference of this object. This is the circumference of this object. Let us find the length. The measure is 132 centimeter.
Let us find its diameter.
The diameter of this object, let us find its length. The diameter of this object, let us find its length. The diameter of this object is 42 centimeter.
We know that pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. Pi equal to C by D. Circumference is 132 centimeter and diameter is 42 centimeter. We are getting 3.14 approximately.
From this, we can say that circumference equals to pi times of diameter. This is the total length of circumference.
This is circumference. This is length of diameter. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. This integrated value is 0.14. Hence, we can conclude that circumference is 3.14 times of diameter or pi times of diameter.